What if I told you, DJ, I just dropped a camera so small, yet so powerful, it might change the way creators shoot forever? Yeah, you heard that right. After months of leaks, speculation, and a whole lot of is it real or not, the DJI Osmo Nano is finally official. And let me tell you, this isn't just another pocket camera. This is DJI stepping back into the mini action game in a way we haven't seen since the short-lived Action 2. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. The specs, the features, the price, and of course, that all-important launch date. And stick around, because there's one detail about the Nano's magnetic design that's straight up wild. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is its magnetic main module. And I'm not talking about your basic fridge magnet situation here. DJI went crazy with this thing. The Nano has magnetic surfaces on nearly every side, and the ability to switch polarity. Translation: you can stick it, flip it, or mount it in ways we've literally never seen before. And wait for it, DJI even designed a brand new magnetic lanyard system so you can wear the camera under your shirt for discreet POV filming. It's like body cam meets lifestyle vlogging, but actually stylish. Flexibility is the whole vibe here, and I kinda love it. Okay, let's get into the nerdy stuff, because the Nano isn't just about magnets. DJI packed this tiny body with legit creator features. We're talking built-in memory options of 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes, an OLED HD touchscreen for direct control and remote shooting, lightning fast charging that gets you to 80% in just 20 minutes. And yes, it even has an SD card slot for expandable storage. That alone tells you DJI knows creators hate being boxed in. They're basically saying, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or shooting your next viral TikTok, the Nano's got your back. But here's the deal with modular systems. The accessories make or break the experience. And DJI isn't messing around this time. Expect clip mounts, suction mounts, universal GoPro-compatible mounts, and of course, that clever wearable lanyard. This is where the Nano really shines. Because it's not just a camera, it's a whole ecosystem designed to slip seamlessly into your lifestyle. POV skiing, check daily vlog, easy. Travel dock, done. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mini cameras. Alright, let's talk numbers. The Osmo Nano starts at €369 for the 64GB model and €399 for the 128GB model. And yes, that puts it head-to-head with Insta360's Go 3S. So competition is about to get spicy. And here's the kicker: September 10th, 2025. That's the official launch date. Mark it, circle it, screenshot it. The only catch? We don't know if it'll land in the US market just yet, thanks to DJI's complicated status there. But globally, this could be the mini camera to beat this year. DJI is officially back in the pocket-sized action game. And honestly, heck yes, we're excited. So, what do you think? Is the DJI Osmo Nano about to become your new everyday camera, or are you sticking with Insta360's lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know which way you're leaning. And if this breakdown helped you stay in the loop, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next big launch.